Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a DIY marble mesh and a needle bag stash bar. So, we're going to start with the needle stress bag. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need some shaving cream, plastic baggie, and paint or glitter if you want glitter in it. You can do both if you want. I'm going to do blue bag. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your bag, you're going to open it up, and you're going to put shaving cream in it. You're going to put it towards the bottom. Okay, like this, and now you're going to close the bag and kind of push it down. It's okay if it gets on you, it's just shaving foam. I like to use Barbasol for these crafts because I also use it in my slime. And I'm going to fill it up more. Okay. She should be all you need. And now you're just going to try to open the bag as wide as you can. Shake it around. And push down. So I'm going to just put in a little bit more and shake it around and push down. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to wipe off the top of your bag with, and it really doesn't matter. I'm going to use my little washcloth bag that I use. I actually got it from a dollar store. It's cute and it's a Mickey Mouse. I just use it for my crafts sometimes where they're a little bit messy just to clean up my area. Okay, now you're gonna zip it, but first you want to get all the air out. Okay, I got all the air out, and now I have to squeeze the top and push down into the bottom. Again, it's completely okay if it gets on you. It's just shaving foam. Okay, now zip it up. I don't think mine's completely zipped. Yeah, I didn't think so. It's just because there's a lot of shaving cream in there, and it's got to be nice and clean for it to close it. Make sure it's nice and clean. Now try again. Now just try opening it lightly, squeezing maybe a little bit. Okay. It didn't come out. Now I'm going to push to the bottom. Push. Clean off the top. If you want to make it extra secure, you can also use nail polish. Okay. Now open it back up and put in some paint. Or glitter. You can do both, too. I have puffy paint, so it's gonna make it a pretty blue. Okay, I'm gonna zip it up again. I'm gonna try opening it lightly because you want to make sure it's shut. Really nice and tight. Okay, rip off the top. And then you tape it. There's some Scotch tape if you want. This is for extra secure. I used hot glue on mine, other one, but I ran out of glue sticks. Tape it up nicely. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw some clear nail polish on just to keep it down. We'll mix around the paint and the glitter in just 1 second when it's dry. Let that dry, and just so much tape right there, down so that it doesn't leak. And I'm gonna get my hands nice and clean. Okay, so you're gonna hold that for, I don't know how long. Do you think it's done, I guess? I'm gonna blow on it. Does it dry over here? Yeah. It sealed down nicely, actually. And I just have to put some tape over here. Okay, now I'm gonna mix in the paint. If it starts leaking, just tape it up where it was leaking. This part I didn't really tape, so. And here you have your tortilla ball, but it's a bag. Feels super good. Okay, wipe off your hands now, guys, and we're going to put the cap on our shaving cream, and then we're going to make a marble mash. Make sure to clean off your area because you don't want shaving cream on your marble mash. I don't think it would really be too good. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of paper, and you're going to actually take some scissors, and this is all you should need. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut off it so that it's half. Okay, for one of the sides you're going to keep nice and straight, and one of the sides you're going to roll up into a ball. So how you're going to do this is you're just going to kind of crumble it into a nice ball shape, and then tape it all around so that it's nice and it'll stay where it's at. Tape it till it's completely surrounded in tape. You want it to be really nice and taped up. I accidentally got it from the paper. Okay, here. I'm just going to tape it off camera real quick so that it can do it quicker. Okay, here we go. So I taped it all up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this into thirds. So you're going to fold it once, and you're going to fold it twice. Like that. Put the ball in. And then you're going to tape this like that. We'll tape the excess ends over here in just 1 second. Okay. Now feel free to tape up the ends by just going like that. My marble just fell. Again, your marble is the ball. So remember that because you don't really have a marble, it's just the ball that you made. Put it in and tape the other end. Now you have a marble mesh. And a mini bag. Really fun to play with. This one I actually put water in and it makes it super squishy. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!